All right, so before I reinstall the steering column, I'm going to mark the U-joint on those grooves that are thicker. I'm looking especially at the larger groove, which you can see right there. You can't miss it. It's a groove that's nearly the size of 3 of those splines together, so I'm going to put a mark right there. Okay, so I've marked it up, and you can see I put one mark where the large groove is, and I put another mark on the 2 medium-sized grooves. One there, and there's one there. Let's see if I can see that groove, different size grooves. That's what you're looking for. See it? Okay. And the thick one, that's the one that I use to line it up. So I'm just going to stick the column back in now, and marking these grooves, knowing where they're at, having good lighting down here so that you can see the grooves that are matched up. That really helps move this along quickly. All right, so this is the best camera angle that I have for you. You can see here I've got it almost lined up. I'm doing this with one hand, but you can see that the groove is lined up with the thickest mark there. So once you get these lined up, you're just going to slide it in. I don't think I can do this with one hand, so I'm just going to see, once that groove is lined up with the groove on the U-joint, you push them in. Just make sure they're going in straight. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. If I had 3 hands, I'd film this, but I don't. Okay, so it's in already. It takes very little effort. When you can see what you're doing and you have the splines lined up, it's very simple. It just goes right in.